tackled about the personal relationship and family structures. What are personal relationships? Personal relationships are close connections between people that are built on emotional bonds and interactions. They don't form overnight. They grow and get stronger through shared experiences, trust, and time spent together. So, personal relationship is mauni ang suot nato nga connection sa mga tao nga maguban sa ato pinaagi sa pagsalig, pag-share of experience, and pag-spend of time. So, there are three kinds of personal relationships. So, first is family. The first relationships we have, it includes people related by birth, marriage, or adoptions who live as one household. Family shapes your values, communication style, and sense of security. So, pamilya magid ang unang relationship sa atong kinabuhi. O sila po ang nagtudlo sa atong pamatasan, pinagpamaagi sa pag-istorya, pagbati, o pagbati nga protektado ta. Second, friends. Choosing relationships based on mutual experience, shared interests, proximity, and emotional bonding. Friends often influence your decisions and self-esteem during the process. So, we choose not to mga friends because same of experiences of interests. O sila po ang maka-apekto sa atong decisions, pamaagi sa pagsalig sa atong pagalingon, labi na sa panahon karon. Dali lang mga influence sa barkada, kung unsa man ang buhaton, maayo man o dili. Last, partnerships. Romantic relationships, including marriage, these are built on affection, trust, intimacy, and romantic love. They require higher levels of commitment and communication. So, ang partnership is mo siya ang pagluyag or pagminyo. Mo siya ang paghigugmaay nga dapat nga kinahanglan namin pagsalig sa usa-usa o ulang may ginagago. And dapat open mo sa inyong deep feelings o problems. O kinahanglan mo is magtinabangan mo bisan usang kalisod o dapat gilin niyo pasagdan. Kay communication is very important para dili magduba ang relasyon. Why do healthy personal relationships matter? Research shows that people with strong healthy relationships live longer, handle stress better, physically healthier, feel more fulfilled or richer in life. So kung naatas maayo nga relasyon, makatabang nato ni para magbuhit ang bugay, dili ka dali may stress o dili ka dali ang sakit o mas makontento ka kung sa akong kinabuhi. Common problems in personal relationships. Most relationship problems come from unmet expectations and poor communication. So, the most common ones are lack of communications and support. So, kung kulang mo ang communications and support, dili mo makasinabot sa inyong debate at magpinutukaan mo kung sa inyong feel o mag-feel ninyo nga naging sara mo sa naamong relasyon. Jealousy, manipulation, and unrealistic expectations. So, jealousy is morning, magdula ka, bisan walay rason, manipulate kay imo siya kontrolor ng pinaagi sa guilty or baka. Unrealistic is morning, nag-expect ka, mali kung ipaabot nga nag-expect ka perfect ang tanan, pero in reality is dili good. Stress, boredom, and unresolved trauma. So, stress is magilawala mo tungod sa trabaho or kwarta. Ang boredom kay mapil di mo karatinda ka o wala na spark. Unresolved trauma is like morning, nasakitan ka sa una, and katong bisag gamay na mo ka, galit ka masukong o mahandog, madayon ka. Addictions and responsibility conflicts. So, addiction is morning, nasubrahan kas imong sugal, bula, o bisan unsa man makadaot sa relasyon. Kay tungod mo na imong pinapriority. Conflict is mo ni mag-away mo kung kinsa ang magatiman sa balay o sa kwarta. Kay tungod dili pa
how to enrich your personal relationship. You can strengthen a relationship by being intentional about it. The main habits are: number one is connect regularly with family and friends. Dapat lagi makipag-ugnayan sa pamilya o sa kaibigan ang mabalik ko ng iyong relasyon. Connect regularly. Practice gratitude, notice and appreciate that others do. Dapat salamat o i-appreciate ang mga maayong ginawa sa uban. Learning to forgive, holding grades, damage trust. Dapat kabalo ang mga pagkataon o musaylo aron mutayo ang pagsabi ko makipagsimtanay. Become compassionate at treating respect difference. Dapat masintanon o kailangan spend the right amount of little creates distance to much pressure or pressure. The role of children adolescence is a crucial period for social development. This is where you start forming deeper friendships and being influenced by your family. The balance between family influence and personal independence often becomes a main source of conflict and growth.
Family structure. Family structure refers to the way a family is organized and who is considered part of it. It is not just about the mother, father, and children anymore. The U.S. Census defines a family as a two or more persons related by birth, marriage, or adoption who live together as one household. But in real life, family varies a lot depending on culture, circumstances, and personal choice. Family structures matters because it shapes how people communicate, make decisions, handle conflict, and give support. It is the first social systems you experience, so it influences your explanation in all other relationships. We have a type of family structure. The number one, nuclear or traditional family. A household with a father, mother, and their dependent children is often seen as the traditional model. It usually allows for more privacy and direct parent-child interaction. Number two, extended family. Includes parents and children plus grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, etc. Very common in Filipino culture. It creates strong support systems and shared responsibility, but can also limit personal independence and privacy.
There is single parents family. One parent raising a child either by choice, death, separation, or murder, circumstance, and the child may be birth or adoption. The very rules and responsibility are completed in one person. Kani mo na isa ang nagbuhi sa isa ka bata o siya sa tindog na mama o papa sa isa ka bata. Four is foster family, a temporary legal agreement where a child lives with a family that is not their biological family. Foster family is temporary na bantay sa bata. Five is adoptive family, a family where one or more children are adopted. Any of the other structure can also be adoptive families. Adoptive families is family nga naay bata nga gi-adopt, meaning is blended family. Formed when a member from two or more previous family comes together, often after remarriage. Blended family is the pamilya nga nahimong mix and match kung may tawag kung magninyo balik ang usa ka ginikanan. Kay basig na gulag or kanang namatay na. That's all.
Good morning everyone, I am Ashley Kian Makakando. Modern and diverse family structures. Family structures have expanded to reflect social changes. So first, biracial multiracial family. Parents from different racial background. So sa biracial kay ang mama o papa kay lahi og race bitaw, example kana ang puti ay kana ang Black American ang papa, ang mama kay kana ang White American, nanalahi sila o kana kuan appearance na lahi sila race. So next is the transracial adoptive family. Adopted child is of a different race than the parents. So, kanang nag-adopt sila o kana ang bata, pero lahi sa ilaha, lahi sa kana ang adoptive parents, lahi o race gyapon. Ito ay Black American ang bata, White American ang parents, nana kay. Yes. So next is conditionally separated family. A family is separated due to work abroad, military service, or incarceration. Common in OFW families. So, ang conditional separated family kay kanang nag-separate ang parents para magtrabaho abroad or kanang na mag-military service bitaw. Mana ang separated family. So, next is gay or lesbian family. One or both parents identify as gay or lesbian. So next is the gay or lesbian family. One or both parents identify as gay or lesbian. Can be two or single parent, adoptive parent, or extended. So, gay or lesbian family kay kanang tumboy o bayot baka ang kuan ang mama o papa kay nagka-inlaban na reset o na ang gay and lesbian family. So that's all. Thank you.
Family. Parents move to other country as adults. Some family members may still live in the hometown country but remain influential. Ang immigrant family daw ay naisa ka person na mag-move to other country para dito na siya magpuyo. And ang migrant families, family moves regularly for work like farm works following crop season. Ang migrant families at kay mag-move sa regularly for work like farm workers dito sa Lanasod na like dairy. Nanam dito kasagara and basta dagan